Are you looking for a fast and effective way to lose weight? Look no further than these top 5 weight loss diets. First up, the Mediterranean diet. This diet focuses on whole, unprocessed foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean protein, and healthy fats. It's easy to follow and has been shown to help with heart health, brain health, and weight loss. Next, the keto diet. This diet is low in carbs and high in fat, forcing the body to burn fat instead of carbs for energy. It's been shown to be effective for weight loss and may improve blood sugar levels and heart health. The third diet is the paleo diet. This diet focuses on eating whole, unprocessed foods like lean meats, fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds. It's been shown to help with weight loss, improve heart health, and reduce inflammation. Fourth on the list is the DASH diet. This diet is focused on increasing the consumption of fruits, vegetables, lean protein, whole grains, and low-fat dairy while reducing the consumption of salt, sugar, and saturated fats. It's been shown to help with weight loss, lower blood pressure, and improve heart health. Last but not least, the intermittent fasting diet. This diet involves restricting eating to specific time windows throughout the day or week. It's been shown to be effective for weight loss, improving blood sugar levels, and reducing inflammation.